Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new series on this channel, and it's testing out other people's indie games. And yes, this is a series mostly because currently in my college there's a bunch of exams right now and I don't have time to make my own stuff because that takes a lot of time. So I'm just gonna test out some new things from you guys. Also, if you want me to test your game, make sure you check out my Discord down in the description below. And you can actually submit your own game and I'll probably test it out for a video. But before we start, I just want to put up a disclaimer to you saying that these games are not a finished product. These people are looking for feedback, and in the games, bugs are expected. Let the games start now. So the first game we're gonna be testing is this Hunter x Hunter game. The Heaven editor says, "Dear testers, I would like to ask you for your help to test my horror game called Hunter x Hunter. Concern is to calibrate difficulty levels, as I presume higher difficulty is winnable. I didn't win the hardest. Haha." Before I start playing the game, I just want to say I fucking hate horror games. I hate them. So I really hope this isn't that scary. But this is the first game we're gonna be trying. It's currently 1:25 a.m. and I need to sleep. And I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but let's go. Hunter x Hunter. It's a weird name, by the way. It's okay, a cool menu. The map is not for you if you have claustrophobia. What? I am a claustrophobic guy. What the f is this? Like, I have claustrophobia. I don't have a claustrophobia. What? How would I know? God, this map is made to guide new players to understand goal objective. Some people are willing to take certain risks to possess riches of gold. Okay. I'm gonna do midday. Okay, let's start. Let's get right into this. Oh my god. Like, I hate when this happens. Oh, I can't see shit. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Hard surfing, this is blocking my path. What the is? I don't wanna play this. I'm such a... What the f... Oh my... If this fucking shit scares me, I'm gonna flip. First, the site allows you to go further. I have to find all the lights. Oh my god, I just don't want to play this game. Like, I see it and like I'm already scared. Okay, I don't know. Rock floor. By the way, the sounds are very... Oh, enter here, so I have to... You are nobody. Don't scare me, bro. The match is starting. What the f... What kind of match? Oh my god. What the f... Where the f am I supposed to go? Healthy... I don't understand what the f is going on. Find the remaining orbs. Oh, I'm a stupid piece of shit. Oh my god, I'm already twitching. Oh my fucking shit, why am I scared? Like, oh, so I can... This game is so creepy. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Oh my shit! I hate this. I'm not playing this game. I'm not gonna play this game. What the f is this? I'm not playing this game. What the f is this? Where the f is the f***ing monster? Oh my f***ing god! Oh my f***ing shit! Oh! If this fucking bitch scares me. I mean, I kind of found out that you can just go... Oh my god, what the f... Like, you can just go into circles and, like, he won't do shit to you. Oh my god, it's... I like the Thunderman effect. That's what's scaring me, the Thunderman effect. Because I hate it. I'm just going the same way. That's the problem. Oh my god. I mean... Oh, I can escape. I can escape, actually. Oh my shit. Come on, recharge. Jesus Christ. Ah, I was way scared because of these sound effects. And the overall feel is insanely good, but... Oh, you're here. If you made the jump scare like a jump scare, I would shit myself, so... And also, make it so I die already. I don't know why I'm still alive. I should have been dead the first time he caught me. I think that would make it. If he if he catches on to you, you die immediately. Oh my god, he's gonna f me up because I can't do shit. I can't run. So yeah, I'm way too scared to finish, so... I mean, this game is great. I think that this game definitely has potential because... especially multiplayer note. So it's definitely a cool game and definitely not my style. As you saw, I get scared so easily. I'm not for like scary things. It really got me at the beginning. It got me at the beginning because I was so scared. I was scared. And like the sound, the overall sounds and the feel is scary. It's really scary. And the one tip that I would give you is maybe make it a little bit harder. I tried it on the first level, and I'm way too scared to go on the, on the higher levels. But I just walked in the circles. But by the end of the game, when he first gets you that you should be dead, at least in single player. For me, it would be better that way, but I don't know. Or like maybe he gets you like 2 or 3 times. He got me like 16 times before I die. Like, I can't wait to see what you make of it. It was difficult for me because I didn't know what to do. I just ran in circles because this was my first time. Second game we're going to be downloading is this Idler Coaster. It's a demo, and yes, I'm going to try it first. Hey, my name is E.T. I've been working on the command. Okay, it's a mix of Adventure Capitalist, which is a great game in my opinion, and Roller Coaster Tycoon, which I really love. This game actually seems incredibly interesting, so we're gonna start with this game. Warning, Helton, repeatedly clicking with the mouse can cause discomfort and leads to wrist injuries. Do not spam click. Click and hold the mouse button to achieve the same outcome. Let me go to credits so you can see who made the game, and yeah, if you're interested, make sure you look out for this game, and yeah, let's play. So yeah, he said that there's only tutorials. Tutorial goal, pan the camera. Okay, AD, okay. I mean, the panning's great. Like, the menu, everything, Jesus Christ, this looks amazing. This looks really good. I don't know what the f is going on. Scroll. Oh, go to the park's right edge. What is this? First of all, I really like the art. The art is insanely good. Like all these menus and like this this UI is really good. And this is park capacity. Okay, let me go to the right edge. Okay. Inspect the guest thoughts menu. Guest thoughts. Average happiness 69. Haha, nice one. Necessity, hunger 66. Guest needs, park offer. Okay, satisfy your guests' needs. Guest needs. Also, they need. I don't know what they need. Oh, select a blueprint or select a building. Right click to exit. Select a blueprint. So I can. What if I? Oh, so I click on this blueprint and then it gives me an ATM, a trash can, a toilet cabin. And they need some trash cans. So I'm gonna put some trash cans. Okay. So that it's built. Obviously, like, I think I have unlimited money. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I don't. Yeah, I do have unlimited money. So I'm just gonna purchase everything possible. Wait. Okay. So tutorial goal. Like the first, while I wait, everything looks really good. Like I'm really impressed with the UI and the art style. The art style is amazing. I would genuinely play it. I would pay for this game. This is so good. Overflowing. What? Repair all utilities. Okay. Demolish. No, you need one for the tutorial. Repair all utilities. By the way, I'm stupid. So, oh, you just. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Like I'm genuinely dumb. Oh, so this, yeah, I think I'm genuinely done, but maybe you could actually, for the tutorial, maybe just point out that, you should click on that because I didn't know. Maybe I'm just stupid, but janitor. Okay, so yeah, oh yeah, why isn't this fixing? I think this might be a bug or something. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's a bug, but I don't know. It's probably a bug, so we're just gonna ignore that. Also, the timer does not move. Restore your staff stamina. Okay, so that you can build houses for them. So I can... No, I can't click. Okay, so let's build houses for them. And now we wait. Okay, this is the tutorial done. First impressions, this would make a really interesting game. Let's move on to tutorial number 2. Learn about about the rides and power-ups. Okay. Shift plus click on ride, go to build mode. Build a merry-go-round. Well, shift plus click on ride equals go to build mode. Oh. Utility, break room, merry-go-round. Okay. So if I press the shift, no, I don't understand. Shift plus click on ride. Plus 5. So this makes me money if I just, yeah, because it's the adventure capitalist. Upgrade the merry-go-round. So I just do that and upgrade. Upgrade queue line. Yeah, max. Yeah, this is upgrading, but this, oh, so this is, everything is upgrading. Active income. Money made when guests use the ride. I think the holding mechanic, by the way, is great. Drag and drop a power-up. Oh, what the oh, jeez. Bro, like, this game is just... Like, I think this game is, like, insane. This game is insane. Like, I really love it. Like, I'm just having a blast playing it. Oh, tutorial goal. Oh, so I need... Oh, jeez. I don't know what to do now. Okay. Shield. Prevent breakdown. So, yeah. Maybe, what I would do is maybe just put some better indicators what I need to click, because I'm stupid as hell and I get really easily distracted, like really easily. Like, as you can all see, like I'm getting distracted by these birds and I can't stop. Have a ride reach its next stage. So I need people right now. Let me open this. Jesus Christ, I have ADHD. What the... Oh, Jesus Christ. I know I have unlimited money and I'm still picking up these boxes, but how do I reach the next stage? A little bit of an explanation would be really good for this. That's... yeah, I don't know how to do this, so I'm just gonna quit. I can't quit. Escape menu. I can't quit. Have I bugged the game? What the fuck happened? We're back here and we're just gonna go to tutorial number 3. Park functionalities. So look at this little fucking elephant. Have 35 guests. So, I mean, I have unlimited money, so I'm just gonna do this. So I have 33, 34, 35. I'm getting so much better. Fire 2 mascot. So how do I fire 2? Maybe like, I get it. There's a staff menu, but maybe make it so it flashes or kind of bumps up so I know where to go. This is a tutorial, so it would be really good if I knew where I'm supposed to go. I shouldn't be looking for it. I constantly am looking for what button should I press. I mean, I just started and it's not that overwhelming, but I still don't know what's happening. So a flash or an indicator press here would be insanely good for this type of game. But yeah, mascot, 1, 2, done. Set the park entry fee to 40. So again, I mean, now I see the indicators, but they're way too small for me to notice, especially when there's so much happening on screen in the middle. So yeah, entry fee, oh, 60. So yeah, set the closing hour to 23. Jeez, this is insane. Like this game, oh my god, I can't wait until it comes out. This game is fucking insane. And that's gonna be it for this game, and I'm gonna rate it out of 100. And I think this game is insane, like the potential this game has. Like, this is a demo and there's only a tutorial, but oh my god, I want to play this game even more because it's so good. It combines everything that I love. It would be great like if you could publish it both on mobile and on Steam. This game is great. Keep working on it. The art style is amazing. The UI is amazing. The amount of stuff you can do and the amount of stuff you can maximize, it's insane. Like everything from the staff, ads, to like research, to guest thoughts, everything is very well done. So there's been a couple of things that I didn't like bigger indicators. Show me what I need to do because I am stupid. I am dumb. So yeah, this game is really good. I'll give it 90 out of 100, and it's so good. It's insane. Like, I can't wait until this game comes out because I love everything about it. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, comment on how much you like these games and would you buy them, and check out my Discord server down in the description and maybe join so we can have some nice game development chats. Or maybe you have a game that you want me to try and play, make sure to leave it down there. Okay, bye.